Hallo, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today I have easy cards for beginners, so let's get started. So I have been playing with my new easy 3D toppers, and today I'm going to share cards with the toppers from the Flowers in Garden, also the birdhouses, so adorable, and then the flower balloons. And I always thought that these make beautiful embellishments for beginner card makers. Of course, for advanced too. I love them, but any beginner can make a beautiful card with these easy 3D toppers. So let's start with the Flowers in Garden. And what we have in these bags are 10 gorgeous embellishments. They come individually packaged in cellophane bags. And when you take one out, you have 3 steps. So first, this is your base step, and look how gorgeous this is. And it has some glitter on there. It is cardstock. Then you have the second layer, which goes right on top. And what you use are these 3D foam squares. I'm going to link all this below so that you know what I have used. And then there is a third step. And here is this rose. And once you have put it all together, and it's really quick, then you have a beautiful dimensional embellishment for your cards. Now let's look how this would look on a card. And here we go. Look at this beautiful card, and it is so simple. All you need is a card blank. Okay, so this card blank comes from one of our, and I'll share this paper with you in a minute, from one of our paper packs. So you have a card blank, and you can buy card blanks. Then what I did is I layered one piece of beautiful designer paper, and I'm also going to share designer paper with you here in a minute. But if you have it at home, you just pick a beautiful paper. I always look at the embellishment and then look for colors that would go along, and then find a matching paper. Here is what I have done. I had a couple when I made this card blank myself. This is from one of our paper packs. I had these leftover strips, or actually I had one leftover strip. And what I did here is I just cut it in half, put these strips as accents to my card, added a peel-off sticker, one of those glitter peel-off stickers, a butterfly, and then a congratulations from my stash. And this card is done. It does not take any skill to put these together. Now what I have done is I have also made a tutorial for how to put these cards together. So I'm going to link this below if you want to see step-by-step pictures on how I put such card together. But this is my first card, and I just love this beautiful wheelbarrow with those gorgeous flowers. Next, from the same, and we're still looking at the Flowers in Garden. Look at this. Isn't that a gorgeous, gorgeous embellishment? This beautiful keg or barrel, all with flowers, a little birdie. What I have done here again, there is just a base card, white inside. Then I have added one piece of designer paper, and I have embossed it with my cloud embossing folder, and that's all it is. I added the embellishment with my foam pads. The happy birthday is from a sticker sheet. And let's see, here it is. It's this beautiful glitter happy birthday stickers that I added just to a strip of paper and then adhered it to my card. A couple of pearls, flat back pearls that I also carry in my shop, and I will link, like I said, everything below. And then here it is. This beautiful embellishment makes this wonderful card. And then I made a third card from the same pack, and here we have these gorgeous hydrangeas. Again, just a piece of, even if you don't have dies that cut out these pretty edges or an embossing folder like I have, you can just simply use the paper, cut it to shape, add it to your card blank, and then add a couple of bling border here. I just had another piece of designer cardstock laying around that I just added here, and then the embellishment makes the card. This little bow I have also still, and this came from one of the Easter packs, but how cute is this? I still have it in my shop. And then just a little note is from my stash. So let's take a quick look at what paper I have used. So this gorgeous butterfly background paper here in this very light pastel colors comes from the Humming Bees paper pack. And in this paper pack you have 23 sheets, two-sided, and it's just gorgeous, beautiful papers. And here, by the way, were the butterflies. And you will see it throughout my projects. So this is the paper I have used for this card. Now, this beautiful cloud paper came from my favorite crafting book. And in there you also have embellishments, die cuts, stickers. I can link the video that I made about these crafting books below so you can see what's in there. Now let's take a look at the birdhouses. So again, 10 beautiful embellishments in this pack. And I made cards, and here is my first card. This is a top folding card. And here is this gorgeous birdhouse with a bird, the butterfly. And all I have done here is just added again a piece of background paper that came from the paper pack I just shared with you. And then a happy birthday is a sticker, excuse me, and then a couple of bling and some border stickers, the peel off stickers, and that is it. There is nothing else to it. Just two pieces of paper, really one scrap and one piece of background paper make this card. And then when I have colored cardstock, I always put a white printer paper piece in here for my writing panel. So here is card 1. Let's take a look at this one here. Card 2. Here again you see this beautiful butterfly background paper. Happy birthday. I just shared those stickers. So beautiful. These flat back pearls that I have in my shop. They're so gorgeous. And then here is this wonderful birdhouse. And the only other thing I have added are these cute embellishments, those 3D butterflies that I now have available in my shop. And I like those because the size is just perfect. As you can see, it matches. They're not too big, not too small. They're just perfect. And here we go. Again, outlined with one of these outline stickers. And there is this card. So I just wanted to show you how these come. They come in sticker sheets like these. I have many different ones in my shop in different colors, different varieties. These are just straight stickers. These have, I already took a couple off here. These have, you know, different designs. So they come in mirrored cards and mirrored, stickers or glitter stickers. This is micro glitter. We have see-through, we have holographic. So there are many in my shop. Please take a look if you want to have this look that I have. I always add a piece of those peel off or border stickers to just finish my card. And I made a third card with this beautiful birdhouse embellishment. And here we go. We have the gorgeous background paper. And I believe this came from the Humming Bee. Yeah, it's right here. It's one of the other sides of the paper. The beautiful leaves. So I used this on this card. Again, card blank from Michaels. You can buy these. Then one piece of paper, you cut it to so that it fits your card. I always leave a little bit of a border because immediately you have this framed look. Here I had a piece of mirrored gold mirror cardstock I put through my paper crimper just to give it a little bit of interest. You don't have to do it. You can just use a different, just a flat strip of paper. Again, a couple of bling in here. And then happy birthday. These stickers are new to my shop. We have them in silver and in gold. And here they are. I know it's very glittery, so you can't see, but it's the whole sheet is full of those happy birthdays. And here I took one out. Actually, I don't even have it in the right direction. So here it is. I took one out. And what you even could do is use the inners. You can still read it. So many different happy birthdays on there in silver and in gold. And here they are. And these are stickers. You just peel them off and add them to your card. Now my last cards I want to share with you, I have created with the flower balloons. I just love those. So pretty. And here is my first card. And doesn't it just look gorgeous? And all I have done here, again, there is my blank card. A piece of beautiful designer paper that comes from the watercolor floral. And I still have one or two left if you're interested. Gorgeous watercolor paper. There is another video where I introduced this paper pad or cardstock pad. And I punched out a doily. Yeah, it's just a matter of layering different papers. And then here is the embellishment and the congrats from my stash. This is a recollections pack that I have bought at Michael's with different sentiments. Here is my second card. This card comes again from the crafting book that I have introduced a couple of weeks ago. And I cut my own blank, my own card base from this gorgeous cardstock. The embellishments, those die cuts, come in the same pack. So again, what I'm talking about is this, my favorite crafting book. You can see all these different embellishments that are in there, all die cut. Then there's cardstock and stickers, as I mentioned. And yeah, all I have done here is just added a couple of pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 embellishments. Enjoy your day. Also comes from that same pack. And your card is done. That's how easy it can be. Really, no talents needed other than just trying to put these on the card, assemble them. Here it's even easier. This one here is really simple. So again, I have a card blank. This gorgeous paper comes from a brand new paper pack by Prima, and it is called, let's see, what is it called? Anyway, can't find it right now, what it's called. It should have, oh, peach tea. Here it is. That is so, it's hard to see. It's called peach tea, and it's got these beautiful peachy papers in here. Let's see if it zooms in again. And it's double-sided. It has cutouts. Here is this gorgeous wooden paper that I had on one of my cards. So each is in there several times so you can use it. Here are the peaches. Just beautiful, beautiful paper. Check this out. Yeah, I like the Prima papers. So I have this available now. So again, peach tea. And look at this, these cute jars with the flowers. And I made that my background for this gorgeous flower balloon. And then the happy birthday, I stamped that and then just added a little bit of background paper. So I made that into an embellishment too by just adding some foam, so it is also dimensional. And then here again, I used this gorgeous new paper. You can see the lush peaches here. Love that background, just perfect for summer. Here is one of these cut aparts, and it says all the simple things in this rocking chair, the peaches, the jar, and then here my flower balloon. And here you can see again how I do this, right? On all my cards, I look at my embellishment, I look at the flowers, I see there's a lot of orange and yellow, and right away I was drawn to this new paper pad with the orange and pinks in there. You know, you can see how this goes together very nicely. This is what I have done here. Same with this. Here there was more blue and purple, so that's what I found in this paper pack, the blues and the purples. Doesn't it look like it belongs there, even though it's two different products? So that's what you do, is you just get yourself a stack of some pretty designer paper, some blank cards and these embellishments, and you start assembling. That's how easy it is. Here are all the cards that I have created for today's video. I hope you got inspired. You saw how quick they came together. If you like my cards, they are available in value packs on my website, so check it out. And yeah, I hope you try it yourself. It is so much fun. But this is all I have for you today. I thank you so much for spending time with me. Please stay or get well. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.